you've ever owned an iPhone, you know that heart-stopping, slow-motion moment when it slips from your hand. You see that cracked screen and your stomach just drops. But, the decision you make right after that can seriously change everything for your phone. So today, we're going to break down the huge differences between a genuine Apple screen repair and those cheaper aftermarket ones.
Seriously? Hold on a second. Because picking the wrong replacement screen isn't just about how it looks. You could be giving up screen quality, that smooth touch response, and maybe even hurting your phone's long-term health, all without even realizing it. What seems like a simple fix can turn into a total nightmare.
Ah, yes, that sinking feeling. We've all been there. The fall, that awful crunch, and then the dreaded flip over to see that spider web of cracks staring back at you. It is just a universally terrible moment for any phone owner, right? So what's your first instinct? Probably to get it fixed as fast and as cheap as you possibly can. So you hop online, you see a ton of repair shops, and then your eye catches that one price, that one that seems almost too good to be true. And that's the big question, isn't it? That super low price tag can be so tempting, but it often hides a whole world of potential problems. So what are you really paying for with that so-called deal? Let's get into it. So basically, you've got two main choices. You can go with a genuine, official Apple screen, or you can opt for a third-party aftermarket one. Now, on the surface, they might look pretty much the same, but trust me, it's the differences you can't see that really matter. See, a genuine Apple screen isn't just a piece of glass. It's this whole integrated system, perfectly calibrated for colors, for touch, and it's designed to work flawlessly with your phone's software. Aftermarket parts, on the other hand, they're basically reverse-engineered copies, and that's where all the problems start to creep in. And the word aftermarket covers a massive range of quality. You might get a pretty decent refurbished screen that actually uses an original display panel, or you can end up with a super cheap copy screen made from junk materials. The problem is, for you, the customer, it's almost impossible to tell what you're getting. It's a total gamble. So let's say you took that gamble. You went with the cheap aftermarket screen. What happens next? Well, this is where those hidden costs start to pop up. Not on your receipt, but in how you use your phone every single day. All of a sudden, your phone might start having ghost touches, doing things on its own. Or maybe it has dead spots that don't respond at all. The colors might look all washed out, the screen isn't as bright, and you might even notice your battery is draining way faster. That's because these screens just aren't optimized for iOS. They're less durable, and they just fall apart so much quicker. And you can see it right here. The durability of a genuine screen is just so much higher because it's built to last. And look at the battery impact. It's minimal because the screen and the software are meant to work together efficiently. That's something most of those aftermarket parts just can't copy. Okay, now let's talk about the repair itself. It's not just about the part, it's also about the process. A screen replacement is, believe it or not, a delicate, high-stakes operation for your phone. A real professional repair is super intricate. A technician has to carefully open the device, disconnect all these sensitive little components, and this is the big one, they have to transfer the original Face ID and sensor module from your old broken screen to the new one. If they mess that up, your Face ID is gone, forever. This quote from a repair expert really says it all. Even when a screen is completely destroyed, that tiny, critical module for Face ID has to be carefully saved and moved over. It really shows you the skill it takes. This is not a job for just anybody. And here is a massive warning for you. If you get a third-party screen installed, Apple can completely void any warranty you have left on your device. So if something else goes wrong later, like your battery or your camera fails, Apple can just refuse to service the phone at all. You could be left completely stuck. All right, so with all of that in mind, how in the world do you make the right call? Well, the answer isn't the same for everyone, so let's walk through a pretty simple way to think about it. Okay, look, if you have a newer, high-value iPhone that you're planning on keeping for a while, going genuine is almost always the smartest investment. It just gives you peace of mind and the best possible performance. But let's say you have an older phone and you're just trying to keep it running for a few more months before you upgrade. In that case, a well-vetted aftermarket option might be a reasonable compromise. Now, if you do decide to go the third-party route, you absolutely have to check out the repair shop. Ask them straight up. Do you use genuine parts? Check their warranty and make sure it covers both the parts and the labor. Read recent reviews and definitely ask them about their process for transferring those critical Face ID sensors. Their answers are going to tell you everything you need to know about their quality. So in the end, it really comes down to this. Your phone connects you to everything, right? It's got your photos, your messages, your banking apps. It's basically your life. So before you jump at that super cheap repair, just ask yourself, is saving a few bucks today really worth the potential risk, frustration, and all the extra costs tomorrow? The choice is yours.
So you had a phone disaster? Yeah, I came in with a broken camera, totally useless. But David at Sydney CBD Repair Centre was great. Within a day, the part was...
So phone disaster?
Came in with a brick camera. David fixed it in a day. Good as new. Highly recommend.
Our daily superhero, Mr. Repairman, David, is here. Call 8011-4119 now.
My Motorola Edge 50 screen was smashed. David here ordered the part and fixed it next day in 1 hour.
Our daily superhero, Mr. Repairman, David, is here. Call 8011-4119 now.
Wang, tell us about your recent phone repair.
David was super professional. He fixed my Galaxy Z Flip 4 in an hour. I literally walked in broken and walked out perfectly fixed.
Yeah, highly recommend.
If you have mobile phones issue, you can walk in. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. 6 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. 2 p.m.